Hey everyone, welcome to your third week of distance learning. So far it's been going pretty good. You guys have been submitting things by the weekend, and those of you who haven't been, I've been reaching out to you, so please don't dig yourself in a hole. I do want to give you a heads up. Not this week, but next week is our test, and the test is going to be a little bit stricter than some of these assignments. Just to give you an idea, it'll be open on a certain day, the end of the week. I think we have it for Thursday, but don't quote me. It's either Thursday or Friday. But it is going to be timed. So we're going to give you a time limit of 60 minutes. And it'll be open just for that day. So we're giving you the flexibility of opening it kind of whenever that day, but you do have a time limit on it. So it's important that you have kind of your resources in one spot so that you can go through that in a timely manner. Honestly, it's not that long of a test, so 60 minutes is more than enough. But I just want to give you a heads up on that. So if you've been kind of letting things, pile up, you're going to want to get that figured out. Again, not by the end of this week, but by the end of next week is when that test will be happening. And of course, I'll be posting a video to kind of prep you for that as well. But let's take a look at this week. Monday, we don't have class. But if you do want to get started early, you're more than welcome to. It's all going to be open. We've laid out 3 days of work for you with, again, an extra day just to do some catch-up stuff. I will be available during the usual times for Google Conference if you want. Otherwise, if you're more comfortable sending me an email with a question, that's been working fine. So day one in the weekly folder is going to be dealing with the types of energy. There's going to be a reading with a video and then a quiz to follow up. So again, that's in our week, April 14th to the 17th. You do have to complete these things in order. If you have some issues with that, make sure to let me know. I have been seeing, if you're trying to do this on your phone, usually that Schoology doesn't like that. So please do these things on your Chromebook and you shouldn't have a problem. Wednesday, day two, then deals with energy transformations. We're kind of going to switch gears and you're going to be hearing Mr. Duran's voice in some of these lessons. You'll pay attention to some slides, and then there's a more interactive quiz that goes along with that as well. Thursday, then, you'll be doing energy transformations assignment. So it really kind of ties into Wednesday's lesson. It is essentially kind of a quiz, I guess, but it's set up for you to access a PhET lab. So it's really important that you follow instructions on that one. Mr. Duran designed it to be pretty intuitive, and I think you'll enjoy doing it. As always, any type of quiz, you have to score at least 70% before moving forward, and whatever score you leave it as, that's what's going in the grade book. So I always recommend trying to get the highest score you possibly can. Friday then is a catch-up day. I again will be available for questions in the usual time slots with the live sessions. But again, this is the folder that you'll be working on this week. Reach out to me with any questions, and it's open whenever. So if you want to open it right away, if you're bored today, kind of crappy weather out, you're welcome to do so. So thanks for watching.